Hey guys, jumping right on in with the tutorial. I'm using this Carnival palette from bPerfect and going into this mustard shade called Shuffle and just blending that into my crease. I'm then going to go in with the colour Basic and buff that into the crease just to deepen it up. Then going in with Basic and Lit, mixing those two colours together and popping that into my crease just to make it more of a burnt brown colour. And then just going in with a fluffy brush and blending that all together, and then going in with this deeper shade here and then popping that on the lid. And as you can see, I'm blending it out and then applying more on top and then blending it out again. Then going in with the shade Liquor here, I'm applying that kind of to the lash line there just to deepen it up so it looks a bit like we've got liner, and then also blending it out so it's not so harsh. Then it's just time to apply some mascara and apply some lashes. These are the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes, and I'm just applying them because they're very wispy. Then just apply my MAC Strobe Cream and priming the skin with that. Okay, this really annoyed me. I tried just getting the hair out of my face so I could do my foundation, and just look at my face. Then for foundation, I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation, and the darker shade was in the shade Fair, and obviously I used it with a white foundation. And then just going in with my Iconic London contour kit and just bronzing up the face. Then going in with my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just concealing what needs to be concealed. Then to set it, I'm just going in with my RCMA No Colour Powder and just baking under my eyes, and I just applied a little bit across the face. And then going in with bronzer, I'm just going to be using my MAC bronzer there in medium tan and just bronze up the face again. Then to contour, I'm going to go in with my ABH contour kit, and for blush I'm going to go in with this Zoeva Quad. Then I'm just going to carve out my cheekbones, and once you kind of look like Joker who's just eating a powdered donut, then you're good to go, girl. Then just applying those same eyeshadows there under the eyes there and just making it look really grungy and smoky there. How many times could I say there? I really like. And then just going in with Shuffle and Lit and just kind of sweeping that and blending that. And going in with this Sinner highlighter that also comes with the palette and just applying that to the brow bone and inner corner. And it kind of looks like that. And then just to make it look more New Year's Eve-y, I'm just going to get my Midnight Cowboy glitter from Urban Decay and just kind of spread that out along the inner parts of the eye, I guess. I just wanted it to look, you know, somewhat New Year's Eve appropriate, I guess. Then just brushing away all that powder and applying my Jeffree Star Skin Frost in the shade Ice Cold. And oh my gosh, it looks amazing. Let me tell you, you need this in your life. And I'm just applying that to the high points of my face. Then moving on to lips, I'm going to go in with this Lime Crime Velveteen lip liner in the shade Angel and just kind of slightly overlining my lips and going in with Creme de Nude by MAC. And that, guys, is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this grungy, sparkly New Year's Eve look that I have done for you today, and I hope if it's possible for you to give me maybe a like or a comment or even subscribe if you liked it. But until next time, guys, bye!